Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today on this rain-filled day, we're looking at things that will help improve your cleaning, because that's what we're up to today. So, you know, we've done a video. This is the Hoover 1 Power cordless vacuum. This works on any vacuum though. A lot of times with ours, when you have daughters and wives and sons that have long hair, it can actually get caught up in your brush, your spinning brush on your vacuum. So you really need to take care of this and get all of that out of there for it to be an effective vacuum. So, you know, you can do one of two things with this. So, easy to use scissors, kind of run it along. There's usually a lot of these have like a kind of like a little line in it, and so where you can actually get a scissors in there, and you can just kind of run along the line and just kind of trim through all the hair and that sort of thing. So you're cutting one side of it, and then you can just kind of pull it out of your vacuum as you're going through it. So that's one way to do it. That works for any vacuum. So this would work with your Dysons and that sort of thing. So I just cleaned out the Dyson and got the bristles all clean again, so the vacuum's effective. And you, especially for battery powered vacuums, the more stuff you have in there, it's going to drain your battery life down. And that's one thing that you don't want to do when you're using a cordless vacuum. So the other thing, of course, everyone always, I think, should, you know, clean out your canisters. So this one's got a canister on it. Clean that out. There's usually some HEPA air filters and things like that in there that you can either rinse out and let dry out really well. I do that probably every 6 months or so to keep it as clean as possible. But of course, get all of your, you know, your dust bunnies and your hair and all that stuff out of your canister. That's kind of your first step. Second step is really to make sure that this spindle works really well. Now, the one unique thing of the Hoover 1 is that it has this on the side, which allows you to release. When you rotate it, it allows you to actually release your spindle. So the whole thing actually kind of comes out. So you can see that it's got stuff in it there, but you can see that you can pull the whole thing out. So if you can't cut it with the scissors with your normal vacuum and that sort of thing, this one really has a nice function and feature which allows you to actually remove it. So I'll put that down for now. So you can see this one, once you get it removed, has a nice channel. So it makes it really easy for you to run a scissors along that channel and just kind of cut through all of that stuff and get it removed, so you end up having a very clean brush and that sort of thing. You just got to pull a little bit and you'll end up getting everything really kind of cleaned out of there. So your vacuum is not only more effective in picking things up, but it's also going to keep your battery life for your vacuum really good. Now obviously you're not going to want to do this in your kitchen. I'm doing this on, we'll clean the counter and everything. You're not going to want to do this in your kitchen, probably in your garage or somewhere else where it's a little bit less nasty to do. But I want to basically be able to show you very easily, and so showing it here is much easier. And you can see how nice and clean it'll get then, right? So the channel is one nice way to just kind of trim things out. So this is just a really easy self-cleaning thing that you guys should probably look at doing like once a month or so. Whenever you start thinking to clean out your canister, if your canister is full, you definitely need to take a look at your brush and make sure your brushes are nice and clean as well. So that's it. Subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time. Thanks